Today it was a good day, but yesterday was creepy. Wait, whoa! There's two? What? There's two? Are they two? Oh my gosh, there's two. There's two. Oh, it's Trevor M. It's Trevor M. Run! Trevor M. It's Trevor M. I'm gonna get in first. Oh, the robots are beginning to move. Oh, what time is it? Okay, let me just replace the audio right here. Okay, but it's just me, balerina. Whoa! Hi, Fanta Frey. Hi.
I want to kill you. I want to kill you. Eat pizza.
No. Talk bigger a little bit. I can't hear you. Wait. Whoa. Oh my god. What? Baby. Oh my god. There's two of them. Oh my god. No. Please don't come in. You can't come in. Oh, it's just one block. Wait, no, break it. No, you can't break it. That's bad. You have to pay money. Okay? You have to pay money. Alright, Fanta Freddy. What do you want? Oh my god.
Not the dog.
No, you want.
Oh. The dog.
As for you, baby, you die.
I can kill you.
Wait, your baby? Your name is baby or mini balerina? I heard there's mini balerina.
I want to block the dog.
Look me, I will lava bucket you.
My friend. You know. Oh shit! I'm burning me.
Put out the fire.
Protect you.
Oh my gosh. You guys are sister?
Come on.
No, you won't. Okay, come on in.
No.
Come in. I got a lava bucket. I'm prepared. Come in.
I cannot come in.
Come in. I can burn you.
I cannot.
Come. Get out. Now get out. You want more of that? You want me to burn you again? Huh? Hey! Want me? Oh, it's fixed.
What is the time?
2 p.m.
No, it's 4 p.m. already.
No, it's 3.
4.
3.
4.
3.
4.
3.
4.
3.
I say 4.
No. Oh, you want to skip the time, ah? You want to skip the time? So you will shut down, huh? So it's 3. Okay? 3.
No, it's 4.
Oh, you want to shut the time, then you die, ah? Huh? You want that? Huh? You want that?
4.
Oh, you really want that, ah? You shut the time, then you die, ah? Get out. Finally.
Come out.
You come out. Get out of here. Sorry. Okay? Sorry, but chill. Now it's 4, you dumb.
Come on,
Stupid baby.
Come on.
Stupid Fanta Frey.
Stupid. Come on.
Mini balerina. Oh my gosh, you grabbed the picture. Give it back.
No.
No, I will punch you. I will burn you.
No.
Burn you.
No.
Get out. Can you please get out?
No.
Please?
No.
Baby, get out. Baby, get out. Baby, get out.
I get you the creeper.
No.
It's in your back.
Oh, wait, what? Oh, thanks. Oh.
Come on.
No. Come on, what?
Come out.
It's that. Run. Oh, pig, save me. Eat the pig instead. Eat the pig first. Wait, eat the pig first. Kill the pig. Oh.
I eat.
What time is it? 5 a.m. Okay. Oh, no.
I'm coming.
Hey.
What? Coming.
No, I don't have any more power. No. Wait, what time is it?
Get you the thing.
5 a.m.
Get you a thing, picture.
Oh, thank you. Okay, what time is it?
5 p.m.
Wait. It's almost 3, 2, 1. Yes! good. Oh, one baby's head is still up. Wow, that was good. Wow. So anyway guys, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Did leave a like down below and subscribe. And I'm with Funtime Freddy, and he's recording video, and he's not Funtime Freddy, he's Youngson.
Hi.
And if you want to see more of the FNAF, the sister location, leave a like down below. I think it's like 20 nights, then it's over. So yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Did leave a like down below. And baby's so annoying, he even break the glass. He's so stupid. But yeah. Guys, enjoy the video. No, you can't. If you break the glass, I will kill you. But yeah, in real life, I will kill you in real life. And yeah, bye.